Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get payment in Elevate Pay. So let's get started. If you want to receive payments in Elevate Pay, the first thing you need to do is make sure your account is fully set up and verified. This usually includes adding your personal details and completing any identity verification. Without this step, you might not be able to receive payments properly. Now, open Elevate Pay and go to your main dashboard. Here you'll find your account details, which can include things like your account ID, registered email, or payment information. This is what you'll share with the person who wants to send you money. There are different ways to receive payments. The most common method is a direct transfer, where someone sends money directly to your Elevate Pay account using your provided details. Another method is using a payment request feature. If Elevate Pay has a request or receive payment option, you can generate a payment link and send it to your client or friend. They can simply open the link and complete the payment. If you're working online, you can also receive payments from clients by giving them your Elevate Pay details or connecting it where supported. This is useful for freelancers, small businesses, or anyone receiving international payments. Once the payment is sent, you'll get a notification in the app. You can then check your updated balance from the dashboard. After receiving the money, you can either keep it in your wallet or transfer it to your bank account if withdrawal options are available. Make sure you always double-check your details before sharing them to avoid errors. Also, keep in mind that some payments may take time depending on the method used. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.